Hey, hi guys. Good evening. Welcome to my channel. And it's around 10:45 p.m. here when I'm recording this video. So, as I have mentioned that I will be posting every day two videos on my channel and Instagram handle. So, this is the evening part of the video where I will be sharing adding value on business related concepts. And uh, in the afternoon video I will be talking about workshops and marketing related aspects. So let's get started. In this video I want to talk about very important concepts related to business building, which are cross sell upsell cross sell, order bumps, and OTUs. First of all, what is upsell? See, whenever you sell a premium version of anything, a customer has come to you to buy, for example, a car, not Marito, Maruti Baleno base model. Now, there you sold him the premium model, the highest priced model of Baleno. Then this is called upsell. So, whenever you sell the same thing, you sell the so not same thing, you sell the premium version of the same thing, then it is called upsell. You went to buy a car, you went to buy the base model, the salesman sold you the top model. Similarly, you went to McDonald's to buy McAloo tikki, but there he sold you McAloo tikki with double patty and cheese. Upsell. Same burger but the premium model. Same burger, premium model. Okay. Now what is cross sell? You went to McDonald's to buy McAloo tikki. He sold you McAloo tikki with double patty with cheese, the burger, that is the upsell, but also sold you French fries and Coke. Now what is this? The French fries and Coke are cross sells. The adjacent products which can be sold related adjacent product related to the same product, which can be sold with the help of together with the same product. For example, he went to take the McAloo tikki, and there he sold you McAloo tikki plus French fries plus Coke. So this is cross sells. You went to buy a necklace, but they also sold you the earrings, nose pin, and bangles. These are different products related to different products or adjacent products related to the main product, that is the necklace. You went to buy the necklace, they sold you bangles, earrings, and nose pins. So what are these bangles, earrings, and nose pins? These are cross sells. Now you went to buy a necklace, say for example gold necklace with two diamonds, but they presented you and sold you the necklace, its premium model, gold necklace having four diamonds. So this was the upsell. And if they sold you sorry, if they sold you these bangles, earrings and nose pins, then it is the cross sells. So I hope you got clarity on upsell and cross sell. Now coming to the order bumps and OTOs, one time offers. See, the difference between upsell and order bumps is that upsells, cross sells are products. Order bumps and OTOs are strategies. Upsells and cross sells are products. Order bumps and OTOs are strategies. Example: you went to McDonald's to buy McAloo tikki base model, McAloo tikki. They sold you McAloo tikki with double patty with cheese. Upsell. Okay. Now, if they sold you McD burger, McAloo tikki burger, and this French fries and Coke, three products, then if they package it, sir, this is a one time offer with 20% off. one time offer with 20% off. So the complete bundle will be one time offer. And apart from this Megalu Tikki burger, the French fries and Coke will act as order bump. It bumped up your order. Order was, for example, 50 rupees burger, but by adding these two things, you bumped up the order. So French fries and this Coke added as order bumped, and together they were presented to you as a one-time offer. So order bumps and one-time offers are your, yes, these are your strategies, whereas upsells and cross sells are your products. Similarly, in case of workshop, if you went to learn, if you attended the workshop, for example, which we do for our clients, mobile numerology workshop, there you buy this front end product, 99 rupees ticket or a free webinar. Then at the end, we sold you the mastery of mobile numerology, complete mastery of mobile numerology. It is an upsell. But if we at work in the same workshop, if we would have sold you the mastery of mobile numerology along with other products like complete name numerology, complete grid mastery, different product, then it is the cross sell. Similarly, if you follow Ankur Warikoo, what he does, his business model is based on multiple products and all are cross sells of each other. Multiple products and all are cross sells of each other. Like first you buy how to create a course, then YouTube course, how to YouTube, how to Instagram. These are different products and all are adjacent to each other. So his business model is based on cross sells. I hope I brought some clarity to you. See you in the tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.